Hello, today I'm going to show you how to access a Ford Transit rear door wirings. Okay, so this is my Ford and I had a minor accident, and in the accident I had to replace the doors, and these are the new doors which I've just installed, which need to be repainted. So this, I've already removed the wire. So basically this wire came from here into that hole in there and going through inside here to the back of this panel, and where is a clip, you just remove it. So this is the clip, so you just tug it in and it will come out, just tug a little bit, it will come out, and I pulled it out all the way through there and out. So from here, inside of here, you got, that's another plate, number plate lights, one of them. You need to tug it out and remove it. I've already removed this one. Okay, and from here you can access every other part of the wiring which you need to be replaced. And I'm going to change this light as well. So you have two lights, the handle and this light on the top. Thanks for watching. And there you go, this is the whole rewiring for the back. So you got, this is the top light, plate number light, the door latch connector, which will connect the whole thing to the car. Thanks for watching.